Starting a business with limited funds, like $1,000 or less, is definitely possible with the right strategy, creativity, and a strong work ethic. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can build a business from the ground up on a small budget. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or a full-time business, this approach will help you make the most of your limited resources. The first thing to remember when starting a business with minimal funds is that you need to choose a business model that has low startup costs. Avoid businesses that require inventory, costly equipment, or significant real estate. Instead, focus on businesses where you can leverage your skills and existing resources. For example, service-based businesses like freelancing, consulting, or even pet sitting can be very low cost to start. If you have a specific skill set, like graphic design, writing, or social media management, you can offer these services with minimal upfront investment. Next, make sure you research and validate your business idea. This means you need to ensure there is a demand for your service or product. Start by talking to potential customers or checking out online forums and social media groups to see if people are asking for a solution you can provide. You can also use free tools like Google Trends to see how popular your business idea or product might be. Remember, it's better to spend time upfront validating your idea than to spend money later on something that won't sell. Now, let's talk about the importance of building a lean business plan. This doesn't need to be an in-depth 50-page document. Instead, outline the basics: your target market, the problem you're solving, your solution, and how you plan to make money. This plan should also include a budget to ensure you stay within your $1,000 limit. Include estimates for marketing, any required software or tools, and small expenses like business cards or a domain name for your website. When it comes to branding, don't feel pressured to spend a lot on logos or website design. You can use free tools like Canva to create a logo and social media graphics. For your website, platforms like WordPress or Wix offer affordable or even free plans that allow you to create a professional-looking site without breaking the bank. A website can be essential as it gives your business a home base and a way for customers to find and contact you. Marketing is often the biggest expense for new businesses, but there are many ways to promote your business for free or at a very low cost. Start by setting up social media accounts where your target customers spend their time. Post valuable content regularly and engage with your followers to build relationships. You can also use community groups, forums, and local events to network and spread the word about your business. Consider reaching out to other small businesses to collaborate on events or cross-promotions to increase your reach without spending money. If you do decide to invest in paid advertising, set a strict budget and use platforms like Facebook ads or Google ads, which allow you to start with as little as $5 a day. Paid ads can be effective, but they should only be used after you've established your brand and have a good understanding of your target audience. Another great way to grow your business on a budget is by leveraging customer testimonials and referrals. Once you have your first few clients or customers, ask them to leave a review or provide a testimonial you can use on your website or social media. People trust recommendations from others, so social proof like testimonials can be very powerful. You can also encourage satisfied customers to refer friends or family to your business by offering discounts or other incentives. Scaling your business with limited funds will require you to reinvest your profits wisely. As you start making money, allocate a portion of your profits back into the business. Focus on areas that directly impact your growth, like marketing, tools, or improving your product or service. Avoid unnecessary expenses and try to keep your overhead as low as possible. In addition to reinvesting profits, you should consider building multiple revenue streams. For example, if you're offering a service, you might add a digital product like an ebook, a course, or a workshop. By diversifying, you protect yourself against market fluctuations and create more opportunities to grow your income. This approach helps you maximize your earnings without a significant upfront investment. As your business grows, remember that networking is key to long-term success. Attend local business events, join online groups, and connect with others in your industry. Building relationships with other entrepreneurs can lead to partnerships, referrals, and even mentorship opportunities. Networking doesn't have to cost anything but can be incredibly valuable in helping you reach your goals. Finally, don't be discouraged if you face setbacks along the way. Starting a business with limited funds will require patience, persistence, and a lot of hard work. You may need to adjust your strategies as you go, but keep your end goal in mind. Focus on providing value to your customers, building strong relationships, and staying committed to your vision. With dedication and smart planning, you can turn your $1,000 into a thriving business that grows beyond what you initially imagined. So there you have it. With the right mindset and these practical steps, you can start a business even if you're working with a tight budget. Take things one step at a time. And remember that the most important investment is your time and effort. Good luck, and go make it happen.